Dirt bikes on weekends and trucks we take drifting. Yeah, that's what we call toys. Old boots and blue jeans, no, there's no mistaking. We were country boys. No city inside, dirt road for miles. Yeah, it was a hell of a life. 'Cause we were building bonfires on Friday nights. We were chasing around them girls we liked. We were just some kids hanging out in the middle of nowhere. We were spending summer swimming in that creek. No, we didn't have much, but we had all we needed. It wasn't our choice. I'm thankful I was one of them small town knock around country boys. Jump off the deep end to prove you're a real man was something you couldn't avoid. Nah, it's just what you did. You grew up like this, as one of them country boys. Yeah, we were building bonfires on Friday nights. We were chasing around them girls we liked. We were just some kids hanging out in the middle of nowhere. We were spending summer swimming in that creek. No, we didn't have much, but we had all we needed. It wasn't our choice. I'm thankful I was one of them small town knock around country boys. Yeah, one of them country boys. Yeah, one of them country boys. Oh, no city inside, dirt road for miles. Yeah, it was a hell of a life. 'Cause we were building bonfires on Friday nights. We were chasing around some girl we liked. We were just some kids hanging out in the middle of nowhere.